Hello all traders. This video I will show you how to make profits with Indy System trade. This is a program allow you trade in the right direction because this program allow you know what the good entry price, what the take profit price, and tell you know when you must do stop loss. The third thing very important about your trading system. If you use the program, your system trading will be easier. If you're ready, let's learn. First of all, we will know and understand about the element of Indy System trade. This is support line and resistance line. The system will find the support line and resistance line automatically, and they will be constantly updated. Solid line is support line which is strong. Dotted line is resistance line which is inferior. This is arrow showing price fluctuation to see swing point of the price occur. Big arrow are significant swing points. This is a river. A river is used for entering order and showing the price trend. If the river is above a yellow line, that means the trend is going up. If it is below the yellow line, that means the trend is goes down. This is a moving average. The moving average is used to refer to trend, and a river is also utilized as support and resistance lines. Okay, for this program, is a system supporting the trading by following market trend, because when the market trends go up, we should trade by following the trend by waiting for order entry in the reverse zone. So example in the chart with going up trend, this is good entry price in the reverse zone. Okay? So this example, this is uptrend. This is good entry price in the reverse zone. This is uptrend. Okay, from this chart is downtrend. When you know this is downtrend, from the liver line is crossed down the yellow line, and the market price is under the liver line. When the market price is going down, you have to waiting the price market is bound up to the liver zone, maybe the liver edge or the liver center. Okay, before you use the Indy System trade, you should understand and have good trading system. A good trading system for use in conjunction with this program is 1. You must first find a trend. You should know that the market price at the time was an uptrend or the downtrend. Second, finding a good entry price will allow you to take profit in the short term. Third, have a clear stop loss price and take profit price. Moreover, we also have trailing stop and grid order function. If you're ready to use this system, it's easy. It's just filling out the lot sign here and then clicking the order you would like. Okay, and then we try to trade with the Indy System trade on the back test. Okay, start. I will speed more. If the market is sideways, you need to wait the liver line cross yellow line. And now you will see the liver edge is starting to cross down yellow line. Okay, we will put a lot sign. When the liver line cross yellow line down, that is mean the market price is going to the downside. When you know that the market price is currently in the downtrend, you have to open a sell order. But if you want a good price, you should wait for sale when the price bound up to the liver zone. And the profitability target is this solid line, is called the support line. But the price doesn't always go up. You may need to set a trailing stop or have a stop loss to prevent profit. By setting the first stop loss point will be the price that is above this arrow. And when you arrow here, you gradually change the old stop loss point to the profit protection point. And you can sell more if the market price bound up to the liver zone again. Sell more. This is the liver zone. If you take profit with this price, Okay, take profit. And this is an easy way to make profits by Indy System trade. The system is designed for people who don't have high or any knowledge technical but can make profit. You can prove this because we give you 1 month trial for free. Just open an account with us and deposit $300 or more. Inform your MT4 account number and your email. We will send this system to you for a free trial, and I hope you enjoy making a profit with the Indy System trade. Bye bye.